Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new 2020 Yeezy Breds. I copped them on the Adidas raffle from the restock, and I'm really excited about this pair of shoes. It's probably the most hyped sneaker for Yeezy this year and probably in the past 2 years because there hasn't really been much. So I'm really excited to open up this pair of sneakers. Before I forget, I am going to be doing a comparison of real versus fake of the Yeezy Breds. That'll probably be my next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe so you get notified when I upload that video. But let's go ahead and open up the sneaker. So before I get this box opened up, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, obviously give it a big thumbs up. But let's go ahead and open up this box. My chair squeaks. Okay, here we go. 350 boost. It has been a while since I've gotten a brand new Yeezy in the mail, so this is very exciting. As you can see, it says Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, and man, my chair is squeaking so much. There's the size tag. It just says C black, red. Now let's go ahead and open this up. It's so strange seeing like this sneaker from like, it's new. Oh, that's so crazy. Wow. Okay, so I'm sure every single person watching this video already knows what this shoe is. So we're just gonna go ahead and look at it. As you guys know, it has the Sply 350 right there in red, and basically the whole rest of the shoe is black. Okay, it's a really simple design, and it also has the red on the pull tab. I was wondering, like, you know how they have a different color where it swipes up right there? I was wondering if it was going to be a little different from the OG ones. And, I mean, it looks like there is a little different color. Like, I don't know, it's definitely a different color than this part of the shoe. Like, I'll bring it out in the light tomorrow because it's dark right now. But you guys can kind of see that. It kind of looks blue. It's kind of weird. It kind of looks like on the Yashil, the back of the Yashil, how it was like blue instead of the black right here. So I do have a pair of blue tints. I don't think they ever did a restock of the blue tints, so they're like the OG from like 3 years ago. And since it's an early Yeezy, it has like the thicker prime knit or whatever, this thicker knit to it, and I think it feels about the same on here. So, you know, on the newer Yeezys, they started making it to where it was more stretchy and it kind of like made the shoe a little bit bigger. I don't think they did that on this. This is basically the OG Yeezy Breds. It doesn't have the bungee laces, which I'm super excited about because I hate the bungee laces. It does not look like we have any defects on this one. As you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, I get a lot of defected pairs from Adidas, and it's really annoying. But thankfully for this one, we have no defects, and they look nice and crisp. Yes, we are going to be doing on-foot footage, so I guess we're pretty much done explaining the shoe, so let's go ahead and cut to that. Okay, they look pretty good on feet. I hope you guys like this video. Tell me in the comments below if you guys picked up this sneaker or what you think about the shoe and the restock. And remember to go check out my video to where I talk about the market of the Yeezy Breds. As always, thank you guys for watching.